Todas las mujeres que están acá han dedicado, para los que no saben, nos hemos reunido 4 semanas y han sido 8 días largos, extensos, donde hemos aprendido muchos temas. Algo que me da mucho placer es compartir que el programa no termina en este mes, va a seguir continuando. Así que hoy no solo llevamos estos sombreros como un símbolo de estos roles, estos sombreros que han decorado son el símbolo de su fuerza para seguir a pesar de la adversidad, pero levantarse incluso cuando la vida las ha golpeado.
If we see people who need help, we need to offer that help and connect them with the resources that are available to them, because we all have a responsibility to end the scourge of domestic violence and sexual violence in our communities. It can't just be left on the victims to solve that problem themselves. So please be part of this solution with us.
Making that change is really scary, but I will tell you, everyone who works at our Family Justice Center in downtown Rockville, or every one of our officers, or those people at Health and Human Services, they get it. We've all been there, worked with hundreds of victims who have done this. You are not alone, and this event shows that.